friends, I hope all are doing very well. So right now I'm just in front of the Rail Bhavan, which is located in Delhi nearby the Parliament and opposite of the Rashtrapati Bhavan President House. So let's see the of the Railway Department of Headquarter in Indian Railway Headquarter, Rail Bhavan. So which is visible from the here. So I am going to explain details about the Rail Bhavan in Delhi and Indian Railway. And stay updated with me and thank you so much. Better information about the Indian Railway. Thank you so much.
So Rail Bhavan, which is the headquarters of the Indian Railways, which is located at Regina Road in Delhi near the Sansad Bhavan and Parliament, which is also nearest metro station, is the central secretariat. So the officers of the Minister of Railways Sri Ashwini Vaishnav and Minister of State Railways Sri Ravneet Singh and the Sri V Somna is in the Rail Bhavan, who is staying here along with the Railways Board comprising 7 members headed by Chairman Railways Board Sri Satish Kumar. So John Mathai, who served as the first Minister of Indian Railway in 1947 till 1948, and Mamta Banerjee, who served as the first female Minister of Indian Railways from 1999 until 2001. So Lord Dalhousie, who is known as founder of the Indian Railway, considered to be the father of Indian Railways, when he was the Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856. He introduced Indian Railways and telegraph service in India. The first passenger train, which is run in India between Bombay to Thane in April 16 in 1853 for 21 miles, which is located in Mumbai as a Bori Bandar, which is considered to be the first railway station of India, which is also located just close to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, which is previously known as the Queen Victoria terminus, that is also added as a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of the architecture built in the European style. So that's located in Delhi, in Mumbai. So this is the short information about the Indian Railway, and there are total 19 zones in Indian Railway, and Northern Zone is the largest zone of the Indian Railway, which is headquartered located in Delhi also. So and the Purvanchal, which is a Northern East Railway, is the smallest zone of Indian Railway, which is located in Gorakhpur as a center. So this is the short information about the railway. So let's see the right now I also visited some places here, such as I have seen the Parliament of India, which is also located just close to this Railway Bhavan in New Delhi, and also President House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, also located just close to this place, and Udyog Bhavan Metro Station, which is also located here nearby this place, and Vayu Bhavan that is a headquarter of the Indian Air Force, which is also located at the one corner of nearby the Udyog Bhavan. So this is the short information. Even Kartavya Path, which is also located here, which is going to the India Gate from the President House, Rashtrapati Bhavan. So thank you so much, and I will explain more about the details regarding the some headquarter of office and DRDO office. So thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.